In this tutorial, we are going to learn about resonance structures. Resonance happens when we have more than one valid form Lewis structures for the same molecules. In these regards, we are going to practice how to draw many resonance forms. For example, we can see here that we have this nitrate molecule, NO3, can be drawn in different ways, just by swapping the position of the double bond. Remember that when we swap the position of the double bond, you need also to swap the number of electrons. Remember that if we have oxygen joined with any atom with a single bond, so 6 electrons should be remaining in the outer shell. Okay? But for oxygen, if it makes double bond with any other atom, so 4 oxygen atoms will be remaining. You can see that we do have here many Lewis structures for this molecule. So the molecule behaves as though it has only one structure. So the behavior of the molecule, like its melting point, structures, chemical reactions, are not affected, because the bond lengths are identical or are actually intermediate between the single and double bond. That's why here we draw this dashed line to show that they are alternating with each other. You might have questions like this. If we have what is called if more than one correct Lewis structures can be drawn for one molecule, we call this resonance. Practice here how to draw some resonance forms. Suppose we are going to study the structure of SO2. Sulfur has a 6 electron outer shell. It's going to share its electrons with 2 oxygen atoms, single bond at one side, the double bond on the other side. Remember that when oxygen makes single bond with any molecule, so 6 electrons should be drawn in the outer shell. If double bond, 4 electrons should be drawn. In this regard, sulfur still has lone pair of electrons. This is the structure of the molecule. How to draw resonance form? Very simply, swap the position of the double bond and swap also the number of electrons that you are drawing. Example, SO3. Sulfur can make bond with oxygen atom in this way. Oxygen still has many electrons remaining in the outer shell, and also sulfur has here one lone pair remaining. The one which makes a single bond, you should draw 6 electrons, and the one which makes double bond, you should draw 2 pairs of electrons. Here you should draw 3 pairs of electrons. This is SO3 molecule. To make resonance form, you swap the position of the double bond, making it the double bond on the right hand side, or you can also make the double bond on the left hand side. Swapping the position of molecule, you should swap also the electrons. So here, draw 4 electrons because they're double bond. Single bond, you should draw 6 electrons or 3 pairs. Here, 3 pairs, 3 pairs, 3 pairs, and here 2 pairs. To account the structure of ozone molecule. Ozone, its formula is O3. It's made of 3 oxygen atoms. O make double bond with 1 oxygen on one side and single bond on the other side. Let's put the electrons. If single bond, we should draw 6 electrons. If double bond, you should draw 4 electrons. Here, oxygen, 2 electrons are remaining. In order to draw resonance structure for this molecule, you can draw another resonance form for this molecule by swapping the position of the double bond, making the double bond on the right side. Swap the electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Thank you.